What's up, YouTube? We're back here in the power lines today, and look at this. Somebody come through here doing donuts. Look at the four-wheeler tire tracks. Sounds like somebody's on a four-wheeler up ahead. Hear that? Somebody's cruising. Yeah, I've walked out here in a while. Just like to walk out here and look at the tire tracks. Jeez. Somebody's been doing some donuts. That hole over there. Walk this way. My neck is hurting. Sorry if that sun's a little bit bright, but I'll keep the camera down. We're just walking over to this mud hole. I'm just following the tire tracks, trying to figure out where, who, and what's been. Damn. Holy shit, guys. Somebody actually drove down into this hole. Look at the tire tracks. Damn. Somebody actually drove in there. Yeah, these power lines literally go for miles and miles and miles and miles and miles.